Roughing materials like cobalt and titanium have always posed a challenge to shops. Mastercam's dynamic motion technology makes this task significantly easier. The dynamic toolpath motion produces a consistent chip thickness, which ensures even heat distribution and load throughout the cut. By distributing the heat and load, material surface hardening is eliminated, and so are the risks of tool breakage. No matter what material you are cutting, you will never overload the tool, and this gives you consistent, predictable results every time. Mastercam's dynamic tool motion takes the guesswork out of cutting hard materials, and this is just one of the many benefits that Mastercam dynamic tool motion has to offer. Mastercam, be dynamic.